Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how I prepare coconut vegetable fried rice. You are highly welcome to ULELURUTH'S Kitchen. This is Ruth, so let's dive into it. Alright, so here's my coconut. It's out from the shell. I like to make my coconut milk for my coconut rice at home. So next I'm going to dice this into smaller pieces and then add a little ginger and give it a very smooth blend. And after then, this is what the milk look like. It's very thick. So next I'm going to get a very good strainer, put it inside to separate the chaff from the milk. Do this everyone, all my friends, if you have this energy. I just like to extract the milk myself, so I have that fresh coconut taste. Everyone, do it if you have the energy. Next, I could not get liver from the market to garnish my coconut rice, so I got some gizzards. So I'm going to quickly pour this on fire. So I'll put inside a pot, add thyme, curry, then I'll add chili pepper to taste, then I'll add salt to taste, then I will add seasoning to taste. Next I will add chopped onions to taste, and next I will add 250 ml of water to taste to boil it. And then I'll cover this to boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes is what it look like, and then I'll cut it into smaller pieces, and after then I'll fry it for 10 minutes. And after frying, that is what it look like, ready for the coconut rice. And here are the ingredients for the coconut rice. I have green onions, I have green peas, I have carrots diced into smaller pieces. You could dice yours another shape, but I love the shape I've given it. Then I have green beans, I have garlic. I love putting garlic in my cookings, fresh garlic to taste. I have green pepper, then I have red bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper diced together. Then I have thyme to taste. Wow, this coconut is ready. Coconut rice is going to be rich. I have salt to taste. I have curry powder. This coconut vegetable fried rice is rich. I have seasoning to taste. I have salt, sweet corn. Yeah. Alright, everyone, don't go away. So it's coconut rice, so I need coconut oil for the frying, and that is my coconut oil. I have 6 cups of rice ready for the cooking. Then I have chicken stock. Everyone, if you want to know how I get my chicken stock, how I prepare my chicken for my cookings, click the first link on down below to see that. Next, I'll put pot on fire, then add my chicken stock. After that, I will add 3 cups of my fresh coconut milk, very fresh. Then next I will add curry to taste. I will add garlic, my fresh garlic, I love that in my cookings. Salt to taste. Then I will stir it to blend together, stir to combine, cover for 10 minutes to boil. After 10 minutes, I'll stir this with a desirable stick because it is coconut milk, so that it doesn't stick under. Next, I will add my already washed rice, properly washed rice. I will add it. After adding, I will use the stick to make sure it sinks very well, and then I will cover to cook for 20 minutes on a medium heat. Put it on a medium heat and allow the rice to cook properly. After 20 minutes, I will check to know if it is softened. Well, it is not, so next I will add more water to continue cooking. Add more water, and after adding this water, I will take a stick to make sure the water gets into the pot very well so that it doesn't stick. Then cover to cook for another 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, check to know if the rice is soft enough, and then the rice is ready. So next, let's start with the veggies. I'll put a pot on fire. When it gets dry, I will add my coconut oil, and when it gets hot, I will add my chopped onions and stir for 1 minute. Doing this give my rice a very nice flavor and very tasty. So next, I will add the red bell pepper and scotch bonnet pepper and continue to stir this together for a minute. The aroma of this food is taking over the whole kitchen, everyone. Next, I'll add the green peas. Green peas is very hard, and then carrot is too crunchy, so I always add these two first when frying my veggies. Fry them for a while before adding every other veggies. I also add the green beans together. These three things are more crunchy, so I need to cook it very well, need to fry it very well to soften before adding the soft veggies. So after adding it, I will stir it together, then I'll cover it for a minute to simmer. After a minute, I will stir it, then add the remaining veggies. I will add the green onions, all the green onions. Hello everyone, we are cooking coconut rice, coconut vegetable fried rice. Everyone, don't go away, let's cook together. If this is your first time here, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, you are highly welcome. Please do stay connected. More videos are updated every week on this channel. More interesting videos are updated every week on this channel. Comment, like, subscribe and share, and all the ingredients for today's tutorial will be at the description button down below. Don't forget to check it, and don't forget to thumbs up always whenever you visit this channel. So I've added all the veggies together. I will stir this to combine, and then I'll add the fried gizzard and stir to combine. Mix to combine. Then I'll add sweet corn. Sweet corn is very soft, so it's always the last I add when frying my veggies for fried rice, coconut rice. Then I'll cover for a minute. After a minute, this is what our veggies look like. So next, I will stir together to make sure it's not burning. Then next, I'll add the already cooked rice bit by bit. As you add, I stir it with a spoon to combine so that the veggies does not go become smaller, or the rice becomes more than the veggies. So I add to combine. So our coconut fried rice is ready. Our coconut vegetable fried rice is ready, everyone. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more of these videos often, please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe and share. Thanks all my genius subscribers for all your support. Stay safe, stay connected always. See you in the next video. Bye for now.